What's something people don't know about Microsoft Error 4VT9F? It's actually pretty common and surprisingly easy to fix. Let's make this error a thing of the past. Alright, here's what to do if you see Error 4VT9F, especially in Outlook. First, let's repair Office. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Microsoft 365, hit Modify, and then pick Quick Repair or Online Repair. Super simple. Still stuck? Try making a new user profile. Head to Control Panel, Mail, Show Profiles, and add your Microsoft account fresh. Or, clear any old credentials. Search for Credential Manager, select Windows credentials, and remove anything related to Office or your email. Restart your computer and sign back in. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall Office from your Microsoft account and make sure you have the latest updates. Still no luck? Try a clean boot or create a new user account on Windows. And if all else fails, reach out to Microsoft support. They're there to help. You got this.